Hi, Aaron here from One Stop Handling, and today we are back with another video. This time David, our engineer, is demonstrating a semi-electric pallet truck. Semi-electric pallet trucks have manual pump for lifting, electric drive with the push of a button. This particular truck has a capacity of 1500 kg. They are small and compact in size compared to your standard electric pallet truck. They are particularly ideal for warehouses, factories, and on the back of transport trucks delivering with a tail lift. We will leave all the details in the description below. If you have any inquiries, please do not hesitate to get in touch. And thanks for watching.